In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Zoho Mail. This simple process shouldn't take you more than a few minutes and can significantly enhance your experience if English is not your primary language, or if you're simply looking to explore Zoho Mail in another language. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Zoho Mail account. This is essential as you need to be inside your account to make any changes to your settings. Once you've logged in, head over to the settings. You can usually find the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. It often looks like a small gear or cogwheel. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options. Within the settings, you'll want to look for the System option and click on it. This will take you to another page where you can configure different aspects of your Zoho Mail. The system settings give you a wide range of options to customize your account, but today we'll focus specifically on the language settings. When you're in the system settings, direct your attention to the display language section. This is where you'll be making your adjustments. The display language setting controls the language that Zoho Mail uses in its interface. It's how the app visually communicates with you, which is why having the right language setting is so vital. Next, you'll see a list of available languages. Zoho Mail supports multiple languages, so take a moment to scan through the list and find your preferred language. This list is usually presented in a drop-down menu format, making it easy to scroll and navigate through your options. After selecting your preferred language, the interface language of Zoho Mail will change accordingly. It's a good idea to double check that all elements on the screen have switched to ensure everything is displaying as intended. And that's it, you have successfully changed your language settings in Zoho Mail. This change not only affects the main interface but translates most of the navigation and settings options as well, helping to make your Zoho experience more comfortable and intuitive. Remember, if you ever need to revert or change to another language, you can always return to the settings and follow these same steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more helpful tips and tutorials.